3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
What's up, YouTube? I wanted to take a minute today and show you one of Pentair's newest, coolest things that's come out this season. They've actually got two really innovative things, and at my last training event, they showed one of them off, and I thought it was really cool. We started selling a lot of them, and I want to kind of just show you the differences and the upgrades. Also wanted to announce real quick that our next renolit training, where we teach you guys how to weld in these renolit membranes, is August 20th through the 23rd. That's a 4-day, like, hands-on intensive training. It's the first step to being a certified installer. And, you know, we need tons and tons of those around the country. There is a massive shortage of that skill set. It's not real hard to learn, and there's a good business involved in that. So reach out to support@all3pools.com over email. Patrick will get you all the info. And also then after that, once everybody gets back into school and everything, September 11th, 12th, and 13th, we're having our next pool training, our fall pool training event. So, and those will both be in Springfield, Missouri, and it's going to be a lot of fun. The networking, all that is really kind of the best thing about it. It's off the charts. But what I really want to talk about is the micro brights, the Pentair micro brights. That's what you see in here and in the bubbler. We've probably sold 400, 500 of these in the last 3 years. And they're our favorite light. They're a wonderful, wonderful light. They fit into a regular return fitting, so that doesn't need a special niche. It has a dry seal way you can install it. And so it basically just, you know, comes like rolled up, 100-foot cord. You can get it in 50 or 150 special order. Really nice light. They're not dimmable. They're RGB, they're red, green, blue. They change colors, obviously. They're really slick light. But if you want to do like the bubblers and the light on a separate zone, you actually need, I'll take you over here for a second. This driver right here, this transformer, you have to have one of these for each individual set of lights you do. You can do 15 to 20 lights on one transformer, but they all change colors together. So if you want your bubblers or your laminars or anything doing something different, you have to buy more of these. So that's actually where the really cool innovation comes, is the intellivibe controller replaces that transformer, and it can run up to 4 separate lighting systems. You can run 4 different micro brights, or you can run all your micro brights, and then if you have laminars, Pentair laminars, those will be individually switchable, so the colors can be different. The bubblers can be different. So this transformer here replaces that one there, and this controller is pretty slick. And so that came out. The other thing that the lights have been upgraded, I'll show you the lights real quick. So this is the new one. Looks identical. However, it's got a little bit of hardware, a little bit of software upgrades. It's now dimmable. And the kind of funky thing, I think the transformer is the biggest deal because it gives you so many options of what to light. But the other big deal is, they're called IntelliVibes because this whole system is integrated to kind of a pulse or kind of thump with music. So you can landscape your whole backyard and it will, you know, beat to the music and stuff, kind of a light show, if you will. The other thing that they've added, so you've got your regular IntelliBrights, the big lights that you guys had in your pools in the 90s that we still do put in pools every once in a while. Then you got your micro brights. Both of these are water-cooled lights. They have to be in the pool or they'll overheat and they'll go bad. They came out with a nano. It's about a quarter of the size. It's very small. You can put it in landscaping. You can put it in stair treads. You can put it in anything in water or out of water, and it will not overheat. And it also integrates with this. So now you can do in water, out of water, your entire backyard, one controller. And what I will tell you is when Pentair is at my trainings, which is kind of one of the nice things about our trainings, we got Pentair and Aquamatic and all these people coming and talking with you guys, but you know, they're reps. And so I go, how much more is this gonna be? And they go, it's the same price. And it's not quite, but it is actually really close. This light here is only like $30 or $40 more than this light. The controller is a few $100s more. That transformer is about 150, 170. This one here, I wanna say is like $350. But the second you need multiple transformers, it is basically the same. The very first pool that we had going, the one at the Element House, this one and 7 others belong to that house. and we upgraded from this to this. 8 lights plus the transformer was $600 and something difference. So it isn't much. I mean, it doesn't add up bad, and it's just such a cool light that is going to give you guys a lot more utility, a lot more versatility and options to what to do to the backyard. So I'm going to show you that. The other thing that Pentair just upgraded is their IntelliChlor, the salt chlorine generator. I don't have one of those yet in stock, but a lot of times when they go bad, it's not actually the cell itself, it's a board inside. And now the board is going to be replaceable on its own. So it's going to be a lot more repairable, which is handy. But yeah, guys, Pentair's done a lot of really cool stuff new to 2025, and they will be at training there in September. All the cool Pentair stuff, the Aquamatic, we'll be showing all of that stuff off. We'll do renolit at both trainings, although the one August 20th through the 23rd is renolit specific and, long form, learning how to weld. And then we'll just kind of do a few hours on it at the training from September 11th through the 13th, the pool training. But on a quick note on those again, guys, is I will just tell you, I think a lot of people right now, I mean, the economy's been hanging on. Everybody's been still busy, but with interest rates being higher, housing slowing down. My wife is a real estate broker. She can certainly feel that. And I don't know, but I will tell you that pools, they're kind of a luxury item. The people who want pools and can afford pools are generally the people who are not as hurt by an economy. So if you guys are in the housing game and you want to add pools to your repertoire, I do find that they are a highly resistant skill set to economic downturns. It saved me in the last downturn back in the mid-2000s, 2010. I had been very blessed to have a lot of custom work. I've said this before on YouTube, but around 2011, it just got to the point where I didn't see the point in building houses much. I kept building pools, and I did it full time for like 2 years, and I went back into houses in 2013 up until 3 or 4 years ago. But the pools were always there when I needed them. It's a great thing to learn, and it's a very underserved market, especially in the ICF pool game. There's so few of us who know how to do it right, and that's why we're teaching it, because ICF, we need more and more of you guys doing not just pools, houses, pools, storm shelters, all these things. There's not enough of us to go around. I've got work longer than I want to work. So I want to help you guys get busy. And that's kind of what we're doing. I think we are the best. I think Eric and Patrick, we make such a well-rounded team that there's nobody in the game that can support you like we can. And we're growing. We're adding 2 new guys to the team in the fall that are going to be, we got a guy on the West Coast and a guy in the Midwest that are going to be more like on-site rep help. It's going to be awesome. So yeah, guys, it's really exciting. I'm getting ready. I've been working for about 90 days straight. I don't think I've had a real day off. But as you're seeing this, I will be in Colorado. You guys have been watching. I've got a little series building this little camper here. And I will be trying it out for the first time. I got a buddy getting married at Red Rocks in Colorado, and I am heading out tomorrow for about 5 days. So hopefully everything goes good, since I built the thing and I'm getting ready to put a couple thousand miles on it. Hopefully the wheels don't fall off. But anyway, I'll see you guys next week.